Okay, so I'm walking through Texas. I'm in Texas. And look what I find. Just stumble upon in Texas. It's a frickin' big chicken. The biggest damn Texas chicken I've ever seen. That's a Texas chicken. Man, look, it's about 3 feet high. It's like 100 pounds. The chickens in Texas are amazing. It's not an ostrich. It's not an ostrich. It's like the biggest frickin' chicken I've ever seen. He doesn't seem to even mind me. He doesn't care about me one way or the other. He's just picking at bugs.